What is going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com. I want to give you a cash out video on this app, Checkpoints. I've been using it for a while. Very easy app to use. Two different things I'm really doing here that I'm gonna show you real quick. You see here I have 2,511 points. That's equivalent to a little bit over $5. 2,500 equals $5. But I'm gonna show you what I do on this app. So really two things that I do. The main two things I do is I scan receipts and I scan barcodes. Now, a receipt is just basically as simple as, taking a picture and, usually get, a few points, depending on how many they're giving out for that day. A lot of times it's like 5 points for a receipt, but, you just take pictures of receipts here and there, it'll really add up. But the barcode, that's where a lot of your points come from as well. So it will show you places that are nearby if you have your locations on. So if I go to this Walmart right here, let me see what they got. I just click on this location, and right now they don't have anything, but it says they don't have anything, but they really do. So basically, just sometimes it'll have a little survey that'll pop up, but that's really nothing. Just answer that or whatever and get back to what you're trying to do. So all I gotta do is when I go to this Walmart, find these products and scan them. Very simple. So if I find this, I just push it, scan the barcode, and if it's the right barcode, of course, it'll scan and you'll get your 10 points. Go back to it, and same thing with the rest of these products. So right here, this is a quick 60 points. You know what I'm saying? It just really depends on where your location is. So if I go here and do this 60 points, I'm good. I go to another one and do that one, you know what I'm saying? You can really add up. So let's just say all of these have 60 points. 60 times 4, that's 240 points that you can get just off going to these 4 places. Now, I'm not saying you're going to go to 4 places every day, but you kind of get the gist of it, have more stores. It'll always show you the ones that are closest to you. Like I said, it's very important that you have your location on. That way I can kind of tell where you are and what stores are offering what, things like that. So your points can really add up just off scanning barcodes going into the store. When I say scan barcodes, that does not mean you have to buy it. So those products that I was showing you, all you got to do is scan the barcode, take off the shelf, scan the barcode. Once you get your points, put it back on the shelf. Now, if you want to buy it, that's cool, but you're not obligated to buy it. And of course, like I said, you can take pictures of receipts. You can get your money that way. So 2 easy things on here. Like I said, it's not very difficult to navigate. I'm going to show you the redeem section on here. $5 PayPal cash. They got Walmart. They got Amazon. They got a few different gift cards you can choose from down here at the bottom. And this app pays instantly. So I'm going to show you that proof right here. You see there at the top of my phone, it is 7:24 a.m. So let me go ahead and cash out real quick. Click on that. You can get this to have 11 points. Cool. So I'm going to go down to the bottom and click redeem. Everything looks good. So send me my reward. Now here's the thing. It will tell you, please allow 14 days for your prize to get, on the way, whatever. But it does not take 14 days. I'm going to get this instantly pretty much. So pay attention again. It is 7:24 a.m. It might take a few minutes, but let's just see. So I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to show you the time when it actually comes to my account. All right, so you see there the $5 came 7:24 a.m. I was actually looking at my email, waiting for PayPal to email me, but they haven't done it yet. But you see there, my payment basically came instantly. You know what I'm saying? Right there, 7:24 a.m. It was the same time that I cashed out. Got my $5 in my account. You know what I'm saying? Just very, very easy to do. Like it says 14 days, but you get your money instantly. So if you're going to get paid instantly with an app, those are the apps that you must sign up for. Even ones that you don't get paid for instantly. As long as they're paying, that's the main thing. But this one pays instantly, so you don't have to wait any time to get your money. As soon as you cash out, it is right there in your account. So I highly recommend you guys to sign up for this. The link to it is in the description. If you want more sites and more apps to use, please visit my website, pennies2000s.com. It will be in the description. I'm always here making videos showing you guys how to make lots of money online completely free using different websites and apps, all kind of different things. So like I said, for this app, you get paid instantly just to scan receipts and scan barcodes in stores. Very easy to do. Sign up with the link in the description. And always remember, every penny counts.